J. Taylor reporting live from Fox 26 News, and tonight we have an exclusive story about the Zika.
I took a trip to Brazil for the World Cup. Stayed there for a little while. I seemed fine. It wasn't until a couple weeks later when I came back to the United States that I started feeling like I had like these flu-like symptoms. My body was cold, shaking, stuffy, and all that. I just ignored it. I thought it was probably just had a cold or something, but I started getting a rash, and that's when I went to the doctor to check out what was going on.
Zika virus was first discovered in 1947 and is named after the Zika forest in Uganda. In 1952, the first human case of Zika was detected, and since then, outbreaks of Zika have been reported in the tropical and the Pacific Islands. Because the symptoms of Zika are similar to those of many other diseases, many cases have not been recognized.
Unfortunately, there is no cure for the Zika virus, but there is treatments for it by, cream, pills by mouth. You should be able to figure out, like, maybe if you Google it or whatnot, you can figure out what type of medicines to take. But before you take the medicine, let your doctor know which medicine it is so you can know that that's the correct medicine. So, yeah. And also, make sure you get a lot of rest. And make sure you get you a lot of hydration, waters, V8s, Gatorades, Powerades, things of that sort. You got to stay hydrated to beat the virus, but you got to let it run its course as well. So, no cure, but it can help you out with it.
Transmitted in about 4 different ways, with the most common one being a mosquito bite. The other ways is pregnancy, where the woman transmits the disease to her fetus. You can also get it through sex or through a blood transfusion.
There are several ways to diagnose the Zika virus. Serologic testing and Zika maculata testing are 2 forms that focus on capturing and neutralizing the antibodies carrying the virus. Molecular testing is performed on nucleic acid samples provided by those carrying the virus and should be conducted within the first 2 weeks of symptoms onset. Trialplex real-time PCR testing is a form of testing that is released by the FDA and should be performed in case of emergencies only. All forms of these tests have been detected to fight off the Zika virus.
Hi, I'm back from an exclusive story on the Zika virus. We hope that you learned something and took something with you. Thank you for joining us. Have a good day.